And what's poppin', everybody? Today we are going to play Baldi's and Basics. Well, it's a mod. It's a bakery mod. It's like baldi. It's a normal, like it's just normal. It's like real game. Now Baldi is going to chase me, but now today it's going to be just bakery. Just look. Play story mode or play endless mode. Story mode.
Hello.
What the fuck?
I need your help. I was going to make a cake for the party, but I lost all the ingredients. Can you go around by the bakery and get them all?
Okay. Wait, I can't. What? Wait, pause it. I need this center. Wait, Wait, but. Is there like centipede? Okay.
Hello. Welcome to my bakery. I need your
Should I press like that? Oh yeah. What the? That looks delicious. What's that?
This is the you can bake pad.
You can bake pad.
Collect the ingredients. When
You can
find
bake?
them, just answer these
Oh.
questions, and you'll collect the ingredients.
Isn't it too hard?
Problem 1. 1 minus 5 times 0 equals...
It's. Can it be 4? Please. Frick you. Daniel. Oh no. I can't get out. Why I can't get out? Now I can. What is baldi actually like? What's that? It's a piece of cake. Okay. Doesn't matter. I don't like when baldi chases me. Oh! Oh. What the frick? This baldi over there. Open the door. Oh, baker's going. No. I need 7 stone shapes. Now it's not notebooks or deadly notebooks or like. Okay. What the? Where did you come from? No. He sounds super close. Principal, I can't run. Oh no. Oh, not you. Why did Bully... Oh wait, Baldi... Can Baldi go through him? You can only open the doors... You can only open the doors while standing. Oh my god. What the frick? What the What the frick? Why did that scare me so much? Why did you give me so hard questions?
I need your help. I was going to make a cake for Lottie. This is the you can try that.
That's so
Help
hard.
you collect the ingredients. When you find them, just answer these questions, and you'll.
Wait, that's the stones. Wait, what? Cakes are made of stones? Are cakes made of stones? Blah blah blah. I don't know all of these questions. Wait, I can't get out. Like, where is he? No, 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 go away, go away from me, go away, Baldi, go away, ah! Go away. What the frick is that?
Give me something great.
Bully? I like baking. Or teleport me somewhere. What's that? A potato. That was a... What the frick? I'm so dead. Open it, no! That scared me. Maybe I'll stop playing this game. Oh, stupid Baldi. Well, guys, I'm going to end the video. Everybody bye. My name is Riley. Yeah, we're in the channel Riley's Games, and everybody bye.